Kangana Ranaut starrer Thalaivi has been in the news ever since the makers unveiled the trailer of the film. Kangana earlier attended the premiere of her film in Hyderabad and expressed her disappointment with multiplexes for not screening the film due to the gap between its big screen and digital release. On Monday, Kangana was spotted by the paparazzi at the airport. During her interaction with the media, Kangana urged her fans to watch her film in single screens when it releases.
मैम सुने ना, कल पीवीआर वाले पहले मैम आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज नहीं कर रहे थे, पर अभी उन्होंने बात करके आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, तो मैम आपका कुछ रिएक्शन उस पर? पहले पीवीआर वाले
साउथ में रिलीज हो रही है, हिंदी में भी रिलीज होगी, सो वी आर स्टिल नेगोशिएटिंग, वी आर स्टिल टॉकिंग, लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट। पर आप लोग फिजिकल स्क्रीन्स में होगी, प्लीज गो वॉच थलाइवी ऑन 10 September।
Kangana looked lovely in ethnic outfit. On Monday, Kangana also took to her Instagram story and shared a poster of Thalaivi, a biopic based on the life of late Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and former actress J. Jayalalitha, and wrote, "What a gratifying experience to watch Thalaivi, best film of my career so far." Kangana also shared a note saying, "Thalaivi is a theatrical experience. Hopefully, Hindi multiplexes will also play it. I am confident it will bring audiences back to the theatres." The film, which will be released in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu, showcases the varied aspects of Jayalalitha's life, tracing her journey as an actress at a young age to becoming the face of Tamil cinema, as well as the rise of revolutionary leader that changed the course of state politics. Directed by Vijay, Thalaivi presented by Vibri Motion Pictures, Karma Media Entertainment and Z Studios in association with Gothic Entertainment and Sprint Films, has been produced by Vishnu Vardhan Induri and Shailesh R. Singh and co-produced by Hitesh Thakkar and Thirumal Reddy, with Brinda Prasad as the creative producer. The film also features Arvind Swamy, Prakash Raj, Madhu and Bhagyashri in key roles. Apart from Thalaivi, Kangana is all set to make her digital debut as producer with the upcoming film Tiku Weds Sheru, a love story and a satire. Kangana's other acting projects include Tejas and Dhakar. Tejas is directed by debutant Sarvesh Mewara, while Dhakar is directed by Rajneesh Rezikhai.